First, I'm going to share with you how to form an LLC with ZenBusiness, and lastly, how to get the whole entire cost of forming your LLC completely covered. Welcome to Darcy's Business. It's my mission to help you get financially free. In terms of the pros for ZenBusiness, they offer excellent customer service, including email and phone support. Even better, they're available on Sundays. And this is crucial, especially if you have a 9-to-5 job and have limited availability during the work week. And what I found great about ZenBusiness, in addition to their extended hours, they go above and beyond to answer any questions or concerns that you might have. And I cannot say the same for other business formation companies. And so out of the 3 packages they offered, I chose the Pro package, which was the middle tier or the best value. And the reason why I chose the Pro package over the cheaper one was because of the worry-free compliance. And with worry-free compliance, they would let me know about annual report filings and allow me to make amendments, which are changes to my official paperwork. And so the first step in starting an LLC is deciding on a business name. There are 3 tips you need to know when it comes to choosing a business name, and one of these tips will surprise you. The first tip is that you need to make sure that the name is available across all social media platforms. In my case, I made sure my handle, Darcy's Business, was available on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And for the second tip, you need to make sure that you avoid incorporating high-risk industries in your business name. This is essential because it can impact your chances of securing banks and lenders in the future. And for my last tip, before finalizing your business name, you should check on platforms like Urban Dictionary. Sometimes seemingly innocent words or combinations can have unexpected meanings in pop culture. You'll want to avoid any unintended associations that could potentially harm your brand. And now for step 2, you need to choose a state to form your LLC. When it comes to selecting a state, it's highly recommended that you go with your home state, the state where you currently live. First and foremost, being in your home state makes accessing paperwork and essential documents a breeze. You're right there, ready to handle any legal forms, tax documents, or permits. Another important consideration when choosing your state to form your LLC is what you want your business address to be. And so in most cases, if you have an online business, you're working from your home, but you need to consider on whether or not you want your home address to be listed on public record. If you don't, you can decide to go with a virtual office. This gives your business a professional appearance and gives you a space to meet clients. Alliance Virtual is a great company that offers these services. For step 3, you need to choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a business or person that is your business's official point of contact with your state. This means that they receive important legal documents such as tax notices, official correspondence, and legal notices on your behalf. Having a registered agent ensures you don't miss critical deadlines or overlook essential paperwork. And it's generally recommended that you choose an organization rather than a person to be your registered agent because they have to be available during all business hours. And so fortunately for us, ZenBusiness does offer this service. And moving on to step 4, you need to now file your articles of organization. This is the official act of creating your LLC. It's like giving your LLC an official birth certificate. Without it, your LLC doesn't exist. And so by filing the articles of organization, you establish a legal separation between you and your business. This can shield your personal finances from business debts and legal issues, offering you peace of mind. Furthermore, it adds credibility and professionalism to your business. Moving on to step 5, you need to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a comprehensive document that outlines the internal workings of your LLC. It's like the rule book for your business, detailing how it's managed and how key decisions are made. While many states don't legally require an operating agreement, having one is a smart move. One of the most significant benefits that it provides is clarity. It specifies the roles and responsibilities of all members and managers. This can help prevent misunderstandings, disputes, and conflicts down the road. Moving on to step 6. Post-formation steps. Now that you have your articles of organization and your operating agreement in hand, it's now time to get your EIN, also known as your employer identification number. This unique 9-digit number is like a social security number for your business. It's essential for tax purposes as it allows you to report income, hire employees, and opens the door for business funding. Secondly, you need to open a business bank account. It's equally as important. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is not just a good practice, it's often required by law. So it's going to ask about your name, how much experience you have, how many employees you want to have, as well as whether or not you have a business address. And so you're going to answer these questions. So here it's going to ask whether or not you want to appoint ZenBusiness for your registered agent. Moving on, it's going to ask you to select a plan. You're getting your most bang for your buck with the Pro plan. And then it's going to offer you some free services. Make sure to read through it carefully, but the first month is free. After the first month, it'll charge you money. So definitely make sure you want this service before you agree to purchase it. And then for step 4, it's going to ask you if you want additional documents. You can say yes or no. It includes liability waivers and employment agreement. And then lastly, it's going to let you review all of the information that you've submitted so far. And so you can see all that's included in the package. You have worry-free compliance included, rush service, operating agreement, and your EIN. And so in total, it's $499, which includes $300 for state fees and $199 for registered agent services. And once you click this button right here, your LLC is formed. Now it's time to talk about the good stuff, what you have been waiting for. And there's 2 ways I'm going to share with you today. First, you can get free money for your business in the form of grants. Applying for grants can be a game changer. Grants provide much needed capital that can help you grow, innovate, and thrive. They can fund everything from marketing to hiring. A great example of this is the $5,000 ZenBusiness grant. This grant is tailor-made for those who use ZenBusiness formation services within the last 3 to 6 months. It's essentially a financial boost to help kickstart and grow your business. And so the ZenBusiness grant is a great support to you just getting started. And I want you to know that there is more out there just like this one. And so the second way you can get free money for your business is through bank bonuses. Let's hop over to Bard AI real quick so I can show you all the business bank bonuses that are open right now. And so the prompt I entered into Bard are, what are some business bank bonuses running right now for the month of September of 2023? And so it gave me this list. We have Mercury Business Checking Account. You can earn $300 cash back when you spend $2,000 on your debit card within 90 days. And here's a link to the promotional offer. And then you can earn up to $500 with Bank of America Business Advantage Banking, $800 with US Bank Business Checking, and $300 with Chase Business Complete Checking. And so you can go through this list, but there is free money on the table for you to get when starting your business. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.